Ever thought about how one summer could totally change the course of your entire academic future? Well, today, we're diving deep into a program that's designed to do just that, the super prestigious search program at IIT Kanpur. So, if you're an ambitious student, you've probably asked yourself this question, right? How do I take all this knowledge from my classes and turn it into a real, actual career in research? That's exactly the question we're going to answer today. And the answer might just be the SURGE program. It's built from the ground up to take you from just reading about theories in a textbook to getting your hands dirty and making real discoveries in a lab.
First off, that name, SURGE, it tells you everything you need to know. It stands for Students-Undergraduate Research Graduate Excellence. It's not just a cool name, it's a mission statement. It's all about fast-tracking your journey to becoming a top-tier researcher. So here's the quick rundown. At its core, SURGE is an intense 8-week summer program hosted at IIT Kanpur. You get paired up with faculty mentors to work on real, hands-on research projects. And what's really cool is that it's not just for IIT Kanpur students. It's open to students from other Indian universities and even from SAARC countries. And you know, this isn't some new program they're just testing out. SURGE has been around since 2006. With almost 2 decades of history, it has a solid, proven track record of shaping young scholars and building a serious culture of undergraduate research.
Okay, so that's the what. Let's get into the why. What's the mission behind SURGE, and what kind of impact does it actually have on the students who get in? At its heart, the whole point of the program is to build a true culture of research. It's about sparking that curiosity and giving young, bright minds the tools and the space to explore big ideas, often across different fields. Basically, they're creating the next generation of innovators.
And this isn't just a classroom exercise. We're talking about real-world results here. The program itself points out that student projects have actually gone on to be published in international journals. I mean, can you imagine having that on your CV before you even graduate? That's a game changer.
But you know, maybe the most valuable thing you get out of this is clarity. Think of SURGE as a test drive for a research career. It immerses you in that world day in and day out and helps you figure out, once and for all, if a PhD or a life in academia is really what you want.
Feeling inspired yet? Good. Let's get down to business. Who can actually apply for this incredible opportunity? Let's see if you fit the bill.
Okay, for students who are applying from outside of IIT Kanpur, the rules are very specific. If you're in a B.Tech or a similar program, you need to have finished your 3rd year. For BSc or BA students, it's after your 2nd year. And if you're in a 2-year MSc program, you can apply after your 1st year.
Now, let's talk grades, because this part is crucial. You absolutely must have a minimum CPI, that's your grade point average, of 6.0 to even apply. But, and this is a big but, if you want to be considered for institute funding, you're going to need a CPI of 8.5 or higher. So aim high. And of course, the program is a golden opportunity for students who are already at IIT Kanpur. But what's great is that it also reaches across borders, inviting students from SAARC nations and promoting some really valuable international collaboration.
For those of you applying from Nepal and Bhutan, you should know that the competition is incredibly tough. A maximum of just 4 students are selected from both of those nations combined, which makes getting a spot an unbelievably prestigious achievement.
All right, now for the part you've all been waiting for, the application roadmap. Let's break down the whole process, step by step, using the SURGE 2026 timeline as our guide.
This timeline is your Bible. Everything kicks off when the advertisement drops on January 28th. But the window you really need to circle on your calendar is from February 2nd to February 22nd. That's when online registration is open and it closes fast. Then, the program itself runs from mid-May to mid-July, so mark those dates.
So let's make it super simple. Here are the 3 steps. 1. Be ready to go the second that portal opens on February 2nd. 2. Do not miss the February 22nd deadline. Get it done. And 3. If you get that acceptance letter, you have to confirm your spot by paying the fees at the end of March.
Hey, remember that high CPI we were just talking about? Well, here's the payoff. For students who are good enough to qualify for the institute-funded category, a stipend of 16,000 rupees might be provided. That's an awesome incentive that lets you focus completely on your research without worrying about money.
So we've covered the what, the why, the who, and the how. Let's bring it all home and focus on the long-term payoff. Why does one intensive summer in the SURGE program truly, deeply matter for your future?
Well, the transformation is just profound.
You go into the program with classroom knowledge. You come out with practical, hands-on research skills. You go from just understanding theory to having the potential for a real publication. It takes all that career uncertainty and replaces it with clarity. It turns your academic transcript into a powerful, enhanced profile that will open doors.
Ultimately, it really all comes down to this. Your entire research future could be kickstarted by a single, focused summer. So the only question left to ask is, are you ready for it?